Hello everyone, my name is Zhang Ziyuan. Uh, Today I'm gonna do my presentation about our project, Hi-Fi Mock-up Prototype Phase 4. I from Section 5, Team 1. Today, my presentation includes five parts, which is the project introduction, overall the UI flows, physical DFT2B diagram, and the self-reflection, and the mock-up demo. Here is the introduction. For the as-is system, they have some issues. There are some issues in the as-is system, which is the efficient and the news friendly data correction process, menu carving, reducing calculation by participants, lack of effective data analysis and processing system, and the issues with the Google Form usage. So our objective for the 2B system, one, to provide coverage for diverse range of communities, including resistance of multi-story and landed house, educational institution, and VIP department, and MBIP staff. And two, provide enhanced data analysis capacities and advanced feature for mapping carbon footprints and calculating carbon consumption in various areas such as electricity, water wasted, and cooking oil recycling. In addition, the system provides users with a self-monitoring dashboard that they enable them to track their carbon footprint. And third, provide language accessibility, user interface, and content in Malay to specificate for the needs of the local population and to ensure that the system can be easily understood and used by the majority of community members. So I'm gonna show the overall UI flows. So for the first page, as you can see, when you access to the application, you can select the language Malay or English. Then you jumped into the welcome page. And then you click pat down today. Okay, it will be offered two primary language option. In this technical user will have the flexible to choose their preferred language. Okay, next page is welcome page. Okay, then is the register and the login, and this part will be related on our data flow diagram. The process 1 register for this, for the Apple accessing the system, user permitted to select their roles, either user or admin. Then they can log in with their admin ID or news ID. Then and entry their password to log in. Then the next page, next step, fill in participants' details for accounting register. Here, a user are required to provide their details, including the username, full name, phone number, building type, and the number of occupants they share their home with. Once all the necessary information is filled in, user can click the next button to process to next page. And on the main page, on the home page, the user can click the user profile button to review and check their information. Okay, this is here is step step 4, and is related to process process 4 process process 2, retrieve consumption data from participants. On here, user are required to input their consumption data, which include details on electricity, water, and recycled oil usage and waste consumption. Additional, users are also be asked to upload copies of their electricity and water bills, which is related on the process sheet, validated consumption data from user. As the system on our DFD, it be mentioned, the system will check user data consumption, will check the user's approve of the consumption. So here, the system asks the user to upload their bills for as approved. Okay, then we move to the step 4, generate carbon footprint and dashboard for user to monitor. And here is related to the process 4. Here will generate the carbon footprint from users consumption, and also will generate a dashboard. Then enable user to monitor and check their carbon emissions. Okay, we move to step 6. Step 6 will generate the report. When in this step, user can click the report button to navigate to the reports page where they can view the detailed carbon emission data and their personal information. And when they click on the login button, will be lead to the carbon zero winner page where the system will automatically generate and display the current winner, allowing user to view the result. Okay, then we move to the physical DFD for 2B diagram. Okay, for the 2B diagram, this diagram are the cornerstone of our project, detailing the systematic process, external entities, data flow, and data story, pivotal in our quest to check and reduce carbon footprints. This diagram encapsulates the entry of our process, ensuring a streamlined approach to environmental stewardship. Process one. Process one, register and authentic user. And we start with the participants registering their account by providing necessary details such as full name, address, number of people lived in house, and type of building, and username, and password. Pass, password. And process two, receive consumption data from participants. Participants input their electricity, water, and recycle oil consumption and waste consumption. This is and this forming the foundation of our carbon footprint analysis. Then we move to process three, validate consumption data. The system will validate this consumption data, ensuring its accuracy and reliability. Then process four, and we didn't do it in our UI prototype since it's automatically calculate in the system. The user needn't to worry about the calculation, so it won't be shown on the UI prototype. And process five, create dashboards for carbon reduction data. We then this data into those data will be into comprehensive dashboard offering both numerical and visual insights into carbon footprint reduction. And the process six, report for the carbon reduction analysis and documentation. Finally, we will combine a detailed report, outline the individual and the calculative contributes to carbon footprint reduction. Then our primary external entity is the participants. The data story ensure the integrity and the availability of information at all stages, from raw data calculation to analysis reports. Then we move to the process six, which is my individual module report for carbon reduction analysis. Okay. Then we shifting focus to the physical to be trial DFD level one for process six. Process 6.5. The system will read the necessary data, and 6.2, identity committees with the highest and lowest carbon reduction, and 6.3, mark carbon footprint, and 604 and announce the winner when they complete the report on carbon reduction. The system will announce the winner. The primary input is analyzes carbon reduction data, and the key output is the comprehensive report, serving as the feedback mechanism and a source of information for ongoing and future initiatives. In essence, this DFD boasts overarching